This star-shaped spice isn't just pretty, it's powerful. Star anise is rich in antioxidants, vitamin A and C, and anethol, a compound that supports digestion and boosts immunity. Struggling with bloating or cough? Star anise tea helps ease indigestion, soothes sore throats, and fights flu symptoms. It's not just for health. This spice also promotes clear skin and may help reduce acne thanks to its antibacterial properties. Add it to your dishes for a rich, licorice-like flavor, and enjoy both taste and wellness in every bite. Want premium, hand-picked star anise? Herb? Visit Mooveda.com and elevate your spice game, naturally.